In this video, we are going to see the ERP case study on Cadbury Company. So what is ERP? ERP means Business Management Software, usually a suite integrated application that a company can use to store and management data from the every stage of business, including product planning, cost and development, etc. Cadbury is a British multinational confectionery company owned by Mondelez International. It is the second largest confectionery brand in the world after Ringley. The founder of this company is John Cadbury, founded in 1824, United Kingdom Cadbury over the years. Cadbury turns out in recent years Craft implemented by SAP ERP 6.0 System Analysis and Program Development in what SAP called one of its largest global ERP implementations. Craft credited ERP with reducing operations cost. 11,000 employees were sending data to the company SAP solution, and it was linked to 150 applications by 2008. Craft also added SAP Master Data Management Solution, NetWare, with an eye towards integrating legacy systems. Cadbury was left with a cut chocolate product at the same start of the year after the installation of new SAP-based enterprise resource planning system led to an excess of chocolate bars building up at the end of 2005. Cadbury was on a fast-paced growth and could not continue with the existing system, and the pace was too slow due to added insufficient ERP added efficiency and guided the led all the issues fast-paced growth. The implementation of ERP brought in a new way of warehouse management system and brought in the structure to branch office and the deposit. While implementing the ERP system, the company has built it upon the past strength of the company, thereby not losing out on its competitive. The initial implementation took time, and then successively implementation took lesser time and the cost. There is a huge advantage in saving cost while in the implementation phase itself. The company also has built a robust regular feedback system to monitor the changes and the check if they go according to the initial plans. The entire implementation is cross-functional, and hence it is important that there is a high increase of efficiency. The first lesson: never schedule cut over during busy seasons. Even in a best case implementation scenario, companies should still accept steps, learning curves, and operation performance dips. The second lesson: by timing cut over during slow business periods, the company gives itself more slack time to iron out system links. It gives employees more time to learn new business process and systems. The third lesson: the ERP vendors was also selected from among the best in-class vendors, which helped the process occur streamlined fashion and avoided any possible chances of hiccups during initial implementation phase. ERP system modules includes product lifecycle management, supply chain management, for example, purchasing, manufacturing and distribution, warehouse management, customer relationship management, CRM, sales order processing, online sales, financial, human resources, and decision support systems. And because of that, they choose ERP for implementation.